Bespoke engineering, tailor-made shot blasting solutions for diverse industries. The ATWD1000, customized for specialized manufacturing. Workpiece versatility. With a 1000 by 500 mm opening, it effortlessly handles various small to medium castings and complex workpieces. High-impact cleaning. 8 high-performance blasters at 76 meters per second deliver a powerful strike to strip away heavy rust and scale. Superior finish, restores metal to its original luster, consistently achieving a professional Sa2.5 cleaning standard. Precision control, variable belt speeds, 0.5, 3.0 m/minute, allow you to customize the cleaning cycle for any specific workpiece. ATHI Group engineers turnkey solutions tailored to your industry and part specifications. ATHI Group, high-performance surface treatment, custom solutions engineered for your toughest challenges.